So what I'm gonna do today is a simple aglio olio, anchovy aglio olio dish with cherry tomatoes. I'm using pure olive oil. This is a slivered garlic. So I use slivered garlic because chopped garlic burns easily. And you always have to season it with salt. Because salts dehydrate the garlic. So it easily cooks. But for me, I just want it like a light sauteed garlic. So it doesn't overpower the whole dish. Let's put our anchovies. And cherry tomatoes. You can use normal tomatoes, the local native tomatoes. Important is just sauteing the garlic. You can use longanisa, leftover longanisa at home. If you can use bottled tuyo, bottled Spanish sardines. So this recipe is limitless. You can also use linguine, fettuccine. It depends on what you have in your pantry. If you want it spicy, you can add pepperoncini or labuyo or whatever chili that you have at home. Let's add lemon to add extra zing to it. You can use calamansi, any citrus. You can use lime. So this is your simple aglio olio dish that you can easily cook at home. And there you have it. Thank you very much for watching.